Hi everyone, I'm Amanda Blanks and we are at Shoes of Hollywood with another high heel review. This today is a Pleaser Radiant 7-inch heel with some holographics. So let's have a look. Pleaser always package everything so nice. You get this little travel bag with the foam in the middle to keep all of your shoes really nice. I sometimes use this to put my swimmers in as well if I'm traveling. Each shoe is individually wrapped. Oh my gosh, it looks like a present. It's super shiny, and then it's got this kind of ruffled looking silver holographic papery stuff underneath a clear shell, and then in that has circular holographic dimensions, and then you've got the clear up here. Very, very cool high heel, super grippy bottom, which is what you want with a 7-inch. Please are not going to break your ankle. They are really looking after you. And then this gorgeous squishy micro memory foam sole as well, so really comfortable. Your feet will like mold into that over time, and then you just won't move at all in them. The gold embossed logo reeks of quality, and then you have the clear plastic straps which are reinforced there, so they're not going to rip. You can wear them over and over again. And just a hot tip with these type of shoes, with the clear top ones, if they're a bit tight the first time you put them on, heat them with a hairdryer and then they will expand. Put your foot in straight away and then it'll move to your foot shape, and then you'll be able to slide it in and out all the time with ease. And the second one, these will look so good under lights. If you're wearing a long gown and you want them to pop out through the bottom and just show, they'll really catch people's attention. They are such a cool shoe. I kind of get a little bit of mermaidy vibe from it as well. And the sole is like a baby blue color, like my skirt kind of. So we're going to pop these on. I will tell you again, these are a Pleaser shoe that is a limited edition, so they don't make a lot of this one. If you do want to grab a pair, you need to get in quick or else you will miss out, and they don't remake them. Oh, these are super cute. So they're a 7-inch, and you've got the nice big wedge at the front, so you can wear these for a long time. They're going to be super comfortable, and they will be nice and sturdy as well. There's the hole, there it is. Okay, let's go for a little walk in these. Oh, I feel so tall. 7 inches are really great if you want to look nice and tall in a dress and you need that extra height, just so your legs look nice and long. Like me, I need that. I'm not very tall. Give you guys a twirl. Let's go for a walk. These are super cute, so comfy. They're not that heavy, even though the front bit isn't cut out. I'll just show you over here where the other styles in this heel are. So they come in pink, purple and gold, but I think I like the silver the best. This has that scrunchy kind of wrapping paper look underneath because I'm a present. And just before we go outside, make sure you hit like and subscribe on the channel so you never miss any of our videos. We're always uploading new stuff. And check the community section, because then you can see which shoes we're revealing next in our videos, and it'll be me or one of the other models, and you can see some behind the scenes of that as well. You can see pictures and all the sorts of fun things, and we're always replying to you guys, so let us know in the comments what you're thinking, what you want to see, and we'll make it happen. All right, out we go. So in the sun, I'm sure you can see these sparkling away. I do have to kind of concentrate because these are a 7-inch, so I don't want to fall over or get hit by a car. I'm sure I look very like white reflecting the sun with my white polka dot little skirt and tights on. So hopefully you can still see the shoes. You can imagine under the night lights, just see that reflection on the ground there. They'll be sparkling on the runway. Let me know in the comments what you think about these. They're a limited edition. I think they are stunning. Weren't they just amazing? Again, this is the Radiant 708. So Radiant 768 from Pleaser in a 7-inch. I did wear a size 7 and that's my normal size, so they're true to size. They are so cute. Thank you so much for watching, and we really hope you're enjoying these videos. Make sure you stay tuned for any new videos we have coming up from Shoes of Hollywood. We'll see you next time. Bye.